Hi, I'm Xenowave, and today I'm going to show you how I made this sound. So the main concept behind this sound is just downsampling a low-pass saw wave. Operator 1 is our saw wave, and filter 1 is where we do our downsampling. I just have the default filter settings on. I didn't touch this at all. All I did was turn down the preamp, I turned on the wave shaper, I drew this in to force this blocky shape onto the waveform itself. If you don't want to click all this in, just let me go default. So just right click in the middle, right click on that point, click on stairs, mess with the tension to get a blocky sort of shape, and do the same thing for this point. Bring that down, and then you should be good. And you should get something similar. It's not exact, but you get the point. And now for the other part, we have our volume envelope, and this is just how I decided to articulate it. You can do whatever you want. I put on tempo, so it ends on the quarter note. But as I said, yeah, just do whatever. So I'm just gonna play around with this actually. If I bring this down, it'll actually interact with the wave shaper. It'll have a slightly different timbre. Well, very different timbre. And you can also mess with the amp as well, but I don't think that sounds too good, personally. But yeah. I would also suggest messing around with where the sustain is. But yeah, that's the sound really. What else can I? Yeah, I guess you could just mess with other low pass filters. Yeah, I guess with Fidelity you get that sort of timbre. And of course the modes. Oh, that's totally different. Actually, what if I copy this over to our what's this low? Boop. Flip. Nonetheless, let me just. I'll end it here. All right. If you have any questions, please let me know, and have an awesome day.